G. Fatafat questions will create 237. 62 power 4. 237 62 power 4. Last two digits we require. 62 power 4. It is 62 square whole square. 62 square whole square. 62. How much more than it is 50? 12 square. 12 square is 144. 44 square. 44 is how much less than 50? 6 less than 50. 6 square is 36. First 6 are power 2. Next we will take power 4. Power 120, power 360, like that. Right? You can solve any problem. 23762 power 4. 62 power 4. 62 square power square. 62 square. 62 square is 12 more than 50. 12 square is 144. 44 square, it is 6 less than 50. It is 36. Another problem. 8798 power 4. 8798 power 4. 8798 power 4. It is nothing but 98 power 4. It is 98 square whole square. 98 square is 2 square whole square. 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. This is the basic level question. Basics, I am sure most of you might have solved in the least possible time. What is important to me is not the basic level question. Now I will increase the level of difficulty. I hope these problems are clear. Suppose I 1735 power 120. 1735 power 120. Right? Power 120. 120, it is an even number. If the power is an even number, then the number is a perfect square. Then the number is a perfect square. Are you all with me? 1735 power 120. 120, it is a power. Power is an even number. Then it is a perfect square. What is the nature of a perfect square ending with 5? 5 square 25, 15 square 225, 25 square 625, 35 square 1225, 45 square 2025, 65 square 4225, 75 square 5625, 85 square 7225, 95 square 9025. Answer is always 25. Answer is always 25. 1735 power 120. Power is an even number. Then the number is a perfect square. Any perfect square ending with 5. Tens place is always an 2 value. Tens place, it is always 2. I hope this idea it is clear. GHI. Totally preliminary questions, 8 to 9 questions which we discussed. Then level 2 questions. Please write down. I generally don't waste time in my class. I generally don't do any kind of non-academic discussions in the class. Once the audio is clear, once the students are saying everything is clear, once I start the class, it will be a continuous problem solving, because I respect time. Anybody who does not respect time, probably a time will come. Time will only, people say that I'm killing time. You cannot kill time. Time will kill you, right? If you do not respect time, there will be a point of a time where you will realize the value of time. Perfect square. Next one. Another question. Level 2 questions. Level 2 questions. Another 3 to 4 questions which we will discuss. Level 2 questions. First one, how many 4-digit perfect squares? How many 4-digit perfect squares? How many 4-digit perfect squares ends with how many 4-digit perfect squares? First question. Kavita, you want me to go slow? I will reduce the speed. Right, thanks for the feedback. How many 4-digit perfect squares? How many 4-digit perfect squares? First question. 39, 74, 45, 46. How many 4-digit perfect squares? Question. How many 4-digit perfect squares ends with 39, 74, 45, and 46. What is that we discussed? It is a perfect square. What is the form of a perfect square? Either it is 4 into something or 4 into something plus 1. Either it is 4 into something or it is 4 into something plus 1. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. I hope it is clear. Each and every important key point which I am mentioning on the board is of extreme value. Very difficult questions. You can simplify it if you are good in these concepts, because the keyword in this question is a perfect square. A perfect square always will be of the form 4 into x or 4 into x plus 1. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 39. 4 into 9 plus 3. There exists no 4-digit number which will end with 39. Because if it is a perfect square, it should be of the form 4 into something or 4 into something plus 1. 74. 4 into 18 plus 2. There exists no 4-digit perfect square which will end with 4k plus 2. 46. 4 into 11 plus 2. 4k plus 2 form will not arise. There exists no 4-digit perfect square. 45. Just now we discussed, if a square is ending with 5, 5 square 25, 25 square 625, 45 square 2025. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place should always be 2. Tens place should always be 2. If a perfect square is ending with 5, these is also not possible. Answer is 0, 0, 0, 0 for all the questions. Answer is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 for all the questions. What is the learning in this question? Any perfect square should be of the form 4k or 4k. If it is a perfect square, it is of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. Reverse may or may not be true. Suppose if I take 29, it is 4 into 7 plus 1. But is it a perfect square? No. If it is a perfect square, it should always be of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. It should always be of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. All the questions, I think in today's class, most of the questions answer is 0. Proving that why it is 0, that is the learning for the student. All the questions, the answer is 0. I hope the idea it is clear. Again, I made use of the property. In case if you are a student watching my class for the first time, either in ANIL NAIR classes YouTube channel or in Rakesh Yadav publication, the first video, I just did it on Monday. Please go back and watch the first video. It will be much more crystal clear for you. Keep your time tomorrow, 11 to 1 o'clock, I will meet you. 5 to 7 p.m. also, I will meet you. Interesting logics also, which we will discuss. Interesting logics also, which we will discuss. I hope the idea, it is clear. How many 4-digit perfect squares? How many, second level, how many 4-digit perfect squares ends with? How many 4-digit perfect squares ends with? Next one, 64. How many 4-digit perfect squares ends with 64? We just discussed a case where the last 2 digits are not of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. Let us do this case. 64. 64 is 4 into 16. Step number 1. What is the smallest number on square? I will get 64. 8 square is 64. Once you got x square, then all the logics are simple. 50 minus 8, 42 square. 58 square, 92 square. These are the 3 4-digit perfect squares which will end with 64. In case if you want to do it, 42 square is 1764. 58 square is 3364. 92 square is 8464. Logic clear? Either you will get some values or you will get 0 values. 8 square it is 64. 50 minus 8 is 42 square. 50 plus 8 is 58 square. 100 minus 8 is 92 square. You might ask me, Anil sir, why have you not taken 100 plus 8 square? 100 plus 8 square, which is nothing but 108 square, which is 11664. Question is a 4-digit number. Question, it is a 4-digit number. Therefore, these, what will be the answer? 3 values will satisfy. Suppose if the question is 49, If the question is 49, if it is 49, फटाफट बोल दो सर, जल्दी बोलो, correct बोलो. 7 square, it is 49. 50 minus 7, 43 square. 50 plus 7, 100 minus 7. 43 square, 57 square, and 93 square. And 93 square. Now, 43 square is 1849. 57 square is 3249. 93 square is 8649. Two numbers. I hope the logic it is clear. Still, I will increase the level of difficulty. Everybody who is watching this class, kindly reply in the comment yes, in case if the concept is clear to you. In case if it is not clear to you, please put your doubt in the comment. I will pause for 15-20 seconds so that you will take time to digest it. I hope the idea it is clear. Everybody kindly reply yes, 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 yes. Those who are preparing with me, the standard will be at a CAT level. In case if you are preparing for CAT level, CAT is considered to be the Asia's toughest examination. If your level of understanding is at a CAT level, any other aptitude examination will be cakewalk for you. Quant, logical reasoning and data interpretation, just leave it to me, sir. Like Arjuna got Krishna, like Virat Kohli got Gary Kiston. All I do is just mentor you to the right direction. You yourself will enjoy the beautiful journey. 64 square, 49. Now I'll twist the question. It's extremely important to have your foundations very clear. That is extremely, your foundations from 6th, 7th and 8th are extremely important. 9th and 10th topics are nothing but the derivatives of 6th, 7th and 8th. Everybody kindly reply if the concept is clear to you. Naveen, that also we will discuss. In case if it is a 5-digit number, you only tell me, suppose let me take 8 square. 8 square, it is nothing but 100 plus 8 square. 50 multiples, 100 multiples. 108 square. 150 minus 8 square. 150 plus 8 square. 200 minus 8 square. 200 plus 8 square. Take the number till a 5-digit number. I think it's a very easy question. Very, very important, Jatin. For 9th and 10th class mathematics, it's extremely important. Now let me get into the next level. Level 2. Level 2 already over. Suppose if I take another question, 21. 21. What will be the answer? 11 square, 121. 50 minus 21. 29 square. It's a 3-digit number. 71 square. 79 square. Two numbers I will get. Why? Because 29 square is 841, which is a 3-digit number. Now, let me take a level 3 problems. Please write down, sir. Level by level, problem by problem, class by class, concept by concept, subtopic by subtopic, topic by topic. I will explain everything in detail. Right after my classes are over, you can actually start your own tutorials and earn minimum 1 lakh by taking mathematics tuitions like most of the teachers do in southern and northern part of India. Next one. Level 3. Level 3. How many 4-digit perfect squares? How many 4-digit perfect squares? How many 4-digit perfect squares has, first question, tens place 1. Tens place 1. Beautiful question, sir. How many 4-digit perfect squares? How many 4-digit perfect squares has a tens place 1? How many 4-digit perfect squares has a tens place 1? In my previous class, we discussed a concept. What is that concept? If the number is a perfect square, and the units place is 6, then the tens place will be odd. Vice versa is also true. If the number is a perfect square, units place, if it is 6, then the tens place will be odd. Or if the tens place is odd, then the units place is 6. I will prove it to you. It is a 4-digit perfect square. It is a 4-digit perfect square. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. 2, 3, 7 or 8 not possible. Step number 1 clear. A perfect square ends with even number of zeros. 0 not possible. 0 not possible. A perfect square, if it is ending with 1, tens place will be even. 9 square 81, 11 square 121, 19 square 361, 21 square 441, 29 square 841, 31 square 961, 39 square 1521, 0, 1. A perfect square ending with 4, tens place will always be even. 1 is an odd number. It is a perfect square. Please make a note. 4. 12 square 144, 18 square 324, 22 square 484, 28 square 784, 32 square 1024, 38 square 1444, 42 square 1764. Tens place will be even. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is 2. Already we discussed. 15 square 225, 25 square 625, 35 square 1225. It cannot end with 9. It cannot end with 9. Right? Any perfect square ending with 9. 7 square, it is 49. 13 square, it is 169. Which all cases are out? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. What is that I wrote? Please read that statement which I wrote it in the box. A perfect square units place is 6. When the tens place is odd. Please make a note in your notebook. If a number is a perfect square, if the tens place it is odd, then units place has to be 6. If the tens place, if it is odd, then units place it is 6. I hope the idea it is clear. Right? Right after the class is over, kindly watch the class again. Clearly make a note of every important key point. Whatever I am explaining, then class by class, we will go for it. I hope this idea it is clear. Now let us solve this problem. How many 4-digit perfect squares has the tens place 1? Tens place is 1. 1 is an odd number. It is only possible when the units place is 6. So last two numbers we got as 16. Then the problem is easy. 4 square is 16. Smallest natural number on square, I will get 16. 4 square. 50 minus 4. 50 plus 4. 50 minus 4. 50 plus 4. 100 minus 4. How many numbers I got? 3 numbers I got. Only thing is to find out the smallest number on squaring, which all 2 digits I will get. Tens place is 1. When the tens place is odd, units place will be 6. 1 is an odd number. Units place is 6. What is the smallest natural number on square? I will get 6. 4 square 16. 50 minus 4. 50 plus 4. 100 minus 4. 100 minus 4. Second, one more question. Jatin, I have read your statement. I'll answer it after solving this problem. Tens place, if it is 5. Please tell me the answer. Drop your pens. Tens place, it is 5. Tens place, it is an odd number. Tens place, odd number. Units place has to be 6. So 56 is the lowest number. What is the smallest square? 16 square is 256. 50 minus 16, 34. 100 minus 16, 84. 100 minus 16, 84. How many numbers I got? 16 square, 256, 34 square and 84 square. How many numbers I got? 2 numbers. After the class is over, start creating your own questions. You will see the power of enhanced thinking abilities. I hope this logic is clear. Now Jatin is telling, sir, should we go through an NCERT CBSE? Any teacher, I am one of the teachers who have got maximum years of experience in the cat industry, right? I am saying with experience. Now see here. As I told in class 1, kindly go back and watch, sir. Class 1. This is nothing but the foundation of mathematics. Next, it is nothing but the understanding of concepts. Next, it is nothing but the knowledge of knowing all the concepts. Next, it is nothing but the application of the concepts. Finally, it is nothing but the so-called shortcut techniques, which is nothing but the reduced number of steps. Reduced number of steps. Shortcut technique is a technique which takes less time to solve or less space to solve. Less steps to solve. This is the final pinnacle in mathematics. Shortcut techniques is at the top. In case if you are, 1 minute, sir. In case if you are not good in any of this, then you will struggle. Now, Jatin, foundation, understanding and knowledge. This you will get from the 6th to 10th NCERT and CBSE textbook. I have never seen any good teacher who has not gone through the foundation books and taking classes. They might impress you, but they will never be able to express a doubt with crystal clear clarity. All the so-called damn good mathematical teachers will definitely ask you to go through the foundation books. Nothing beats in our India, right? The best book that is available worldwide, the book which has got almost 2% problems, 2%, a mathematical book where 2% problems and 98% theory. That name of the book is Hungarian Book of Mathematics. Hungarians are considered to be extremely good in mathematics. Hungarian, you take any Hungarian standard school books, you will find a lot of these books in artofproblemsolving.com, AOPS.com. Unfortunately, if I miss any case, if a tens digit it is odd, units place it is 6. If it is 5, 56. 16 square. If I miss any case, please write down, sir. 34 square, 66 square, 84 square. 66 square, I missed it. 4 through 5, 6. These 1156. These 7056. This case, I think I left it out. You are right. I hope the idea, it is clear. Idea is clear, Papu. You are right. I missed a case. 66 square, 4356. Next one. Tens digit odd number we took. Let us take tens digit even number. Tens digit even number. Mark my words, sir. In case if you are listening to the class for the first time, ask your friends who are very good in mathematics to listen to my class. After 1 or 1.5 hours, they will understand the true definition of mathematics. Tens digit 4. How many 4 digits? How many 4 digit perfect squares? How many 4 digit perfect squares has the tens digit 4? Tens digit 4. Listen carefully, sir. How many 4 digit perfect squares has the tens digit 4? We will go step by step. We'll go step by step. We'll go with the foundation of the class. Now, perfect square. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. It is out. A perfect square always ends with even number of zeros. It is out. A perfect square tens place will be even when the units place is tens place is odd when the units place is 6. But the tens place is even. 4 not possible. Any perfect square ending with 5. Tens place is 2. Tens place is 2. Tens place it is 2. 5 square 25. 0 out, 6 out, 5 out, 2, 3, 7 or 8. Like I missed in the previous case. Don't miss any cases. Counting, please take care, sir. Unit digit. 1, it is possible. If it is 1, tens place it is 41. Case 1, unit digit it is 1. Tens place is 41. 21 square is 441. 50 minus 21. 71. 79 square. This is a 3 digit perfect square. Case 1. Case 1. I hope it is clear. Case 2, unit digit 1, we did it. What are the other case? 0 not possible, 1 possible, 2 not possible, 3 not possible, unit digit 4 possible, unit digit 4 possible, unit digit 4 possible, 44. 12 square is 144. 50 minus 12, 50 plus 12, 100 minus 12. 38 square, 1444, 62 square, 3844, 88 square, 7744. Case 1, unit digit 1, case 2, 4. 5 not possible, 6 not possible, 7 not possible, 9 possible. Case 3, unit digit 9, unit digit 9, 49. 7 square is 49. 50 minus 7, 50 plus 7, 100 minus 7. Here 3 cases I got, here 2 cases I got, here 3 cases. 3 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 3 plus 2. 6 plus 2. It is nothing but 8. It is nothing but 8. Is the idea clear? What are the cases we did? Tens place odd number we did. Tens place even number we did it. Full problems based on A triple B. A triple B is a perfect square. Why tomorrow? We will discuss right now itself. A triple B is a perfect square. A plus B equivalent to how much? A plus B equivalent to how much? Second, it is an original CAT question. AABB is a perfect square. AABB is a perfect square. Find A plus B. Find A plus B. AB is a perfect square. AB is a perfect square. A plus B. A6 whole square equivalent to XY 76. Find A plus X plus Y. Find A plus X plus Y. A plus X plus Y. See this question. A triple B, it is a perfect square. Find the value of A plus B. Double A double B. This is an original CAT question, sir. This is an original CAT question. AB is a perfect square. Find the value of A plus B. A6 whole square equivalent to XY 76. Find the value of A plus X plus Y. Shall we solve? Don't miss any class of mine. A triple B. A triple B is a perfect square. A triple B. It is a perfect square. Find the value of A plus B. Find the value of A plus B. Now see here. Find the value of A plus B. Solution. It's a very, very easy question. A triple B. A triple B, it is a perfect square. These, we have to decode the values for A and B. Now see here. Because it's a perfect square, B cannot take 2, 3, 7 or 8. Any perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. It cannot take 0. Why? Because a perfect square always ends with even number of zeros. If B takes zeros, I will get 3 zeros. But I require even number of zeros. It is not possible. It cannot take 1. Why? Because any perfect square ending with 1, any perfect square ending with 1, tens place should be even. But both the places, it should be same. 1 also not possible. Suppose if I take 5 also, it is not possible. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is 2. I am writing some examples here so that it will be extremely clear to you. 5 square 25, 15 square 225. 5 not possible. Next, 6. Any perfect square ending with 6, unit tens place will be odd. That is what we discussed. If a number is a perfect square, if the units place it is 6, tens place will be an odd number. But both are equal. It cannot be 9. Any perfect square ending with 9, tens place is an even number. But both are equal. 7 square is 14, 9. 13 square is 116, 9. 13 square is 116, 9. So 0 out, 1 out, 2 out, 3 out, 5 out, 6 out, 7 out, 8 out, 9 out. What is the only case left? The only case left is 4. Last 2 digits are same. So it is 44. A triple 4. So A444. What is the smallest 2 digits on square? I'll get 44. 12 square is 144. 50 minus 12 is 38 square, 1444. We got the logic. 62 square is 3844. 88 square is 7744. 7744. We require this number. So what is A plus B? 1 plus 4, it is nothing but 5. Very easy question. All you have to do is eliminate the values of B which are not possible. B cannot take 2, 3, 7 or 8. B cannot take 0. B cannot take 1. Why? Because I am giving explanation for each and every value of B which is not possible. If it is a perfect square, it cannot end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. It cannot end with 0 because even number of 0 should be there. B contains 3 are there. It cannot end with 1 because tens place should be even. Both of them should have same parity. Because of that, 9 is not possible. If in a perfect square, if the units place is 6, tens place is always odd. Both of them should be of the same parity. 5 not possible. Once you got 44, 12 square is 144. 50 minus 12, 50 plus 12, 100 minus 12. This is satisfying the first question. This is satisfying the first question. This is satisfying the first question. This is satisfying the second question. This is satisfying the first question. This is satisfying the second question. 7744. First question answer is 5. Second question answer is 11. 7 plus 4, it is 11. I hope the idea it is very clear. Very, very easy question. Very, very easy question. 2 questions out in a single slide. Third question. AB, it is a perfect square. AB, it is a perfect square. Find A plus B. Find A plus B. I will again discuss the beauty of this problem in the next coming classes. These units place, these tens place, these hundreds place, these thousands place. So it is 1000A plus 100B plus 10A plus B. These nothing but 1010A plus 101B. So 101 into 10A plus B. 101 into 10A plus B. This should be a perfect square. This should be a perfect square. A and B are digits. A and B are digits. Digit maximum value, it is nothing but 9. Digit maximum value, it is nothing but 9. So if this number is a perfect square, 101 is a prime number, another 101 should come, then only it will become a perfect square. A is 9 and B is 9. Maximum value of a 2-digit number is 99. So answer is no number possible. No number possible. No number possible. This can also be done by using the divisibility rule of 101.